These AI videos I made in less than 2 minutes just got me 10 million views on YouTube. No camera, no actors, and absolutely no complex editing software. I built the entire workflow in MulanAI using a single conversation. Steal this workflow. To get these results, we're using mulan.pro. Step 1. Upload a random Lush Life dancing video onto your blank canvas on mulan.pro. Just go to the agent in the corner and say, I want the Stranger Things cast dancing this dance. Use the motion transfer node to keep it smooth. Create full-height pics of characters in their famous, recognizable clothes and background. Step 2. Now, just watch the Mulan agent handle the work. It locks in character consistency, scene transitions, and dynamic lighting. It turns a simple prompt into a production-grade pipeline in seconds. That's a viral video ready to go. Want more? Just tell the agent to swap the characters. It updates everything automatically. I'm offering this exact workflow to the public today. Link and free credits are in the description. Go get yours. If you sign up using the link in my description, you'll get 700 free tokens to start your own viral channel right now. Don't miss out on that.